Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to make an egg fried rice that is the best and also only takes 5 minutes to make. Can we do that? Let's start making it and we'll discover all the secrets. I'm also so excited to cook on my new pan, the only pan that I use for almost all of my cookings. Excellent quality pan from Kelfalan. Considering how much I cooked, the last one lasted 2 years, so that's pretty impressive. It is 12:41. Let's start with turning on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of canola or vegetable oil. Mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Now the first secret is maximizing efficiency. Throughout, you will see me having no time of doing nothing. This requires knowing of what to do in each recipe so you can plan ahead. The more you cook, the better you get at it. Stir occasionally until the garlic is brown. At any point, reduce heat if necessary to prevent burning. Now we select 6 cups of old cooked long grain rice and mix with 1/4 cup of canola or vegetable oil. Because oil heats up almost twice faster than water, and to keep making this fried rice done in a short amount of time, adding both rice and oil in at the same time is a must so the rice has enough time to absorb heat and retain that heat for long after we're done cooking. Also, doing this by hands in a large bowl is much easier than in a hot pan with a wooden spoon or spatula. Now we just stir occasionally for a minute or two. In the meantime, dice 2 to 3 green onions. By the way, I would love to know where you are watching from and to say hi to you personally, so let me know in the comments. Now we add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and half teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir to mix thoroughly for about 30 seconds. We then push the rice to one side of the pan. Crack in 6 eggs. Simply stir and break the eggs until they are no longer liquidy. Quickly stir to mix the rice and eggs together. We then taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper for the last time. Also add in half of the diced green onion, stir to mix thoroughly. That is correct. Good job, Sunny. Beautiful. Let's see what time it is now. So, 12:49, which means it took me 8 minutes. Without managing the 2 cameras, I could probably did it in 7 minutes. Sorry guys, I lied. It's not 5 minutes. However, that is also my third and last secret, which is never ever rush. Food needs a certain amount of time to cook properly, and ingredients need also enough time to marry each other and develop wonderful flavors. So get this done in 5 minutes is possible. But we didn't just want fast food, we wanted the best tasty food also. So this is definitely the most important secret in cooking, that is giving your food enough time to cook properly. There you have it guys, the fastest best egg fried rice is right here. Why not start making it in your kitchen? I'd really appreciate any like, subscribe or comment. Stay safe and healthy my friends. Bye bye for now.